Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. So, do you guys remember whenever we hollowed out our squash? I told you we were only going to make Yolandi that day, but in the future, whenever you do hollow it out, save the insides, chop it up, and I will show you how to do that, and then we are going to cook it. This is the inside of our squash. We're going to make a simple and healthy dish with it. This is what it looks like after you hollow it out of the squash, and then we want to chop it up into little pieces just like this. I have Juju today as my helper. Juju just woke up from nap. Hi, Vision. And we're gonna get started with this. Okay, to start, I'm gonna go ahead and put my pot on medium heat. And we're gonna add our squash inside. No, Juju, we don't need that right now. Okay. This is very healthy because it is made with the inside of the squash, so it is very low calorie. It is cooked with olive oil, and we're gonna add salt and garlic, so those are our ingredients. I went ahead and put it on medium heat. I'm gonna close the lid, and I'm gonna let it start cooking for a few minutes. You're gonna see a lot of water drain out. We don't want that water. We're gonna drain that out, and then we will add our olive oil. If we add our olive oil first, and then the water drains out, we're gonna have to dump all that in the sink, and we don't wanna waste the olive oil. So I figured this way would be a lot easier, and you don't have to throw away the olive oil out. Juju loves to cook with Mama, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You let know. Say bye.
Bye.
And we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. After it's been on here for about a minute or two, we're gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt, and the salt will actually help the water come out more. And I'm adding our teaspoon of salt, and we are gonna stir this around just so we can get everything coated with the salt. And I'll show you what juices I am talking about. We're gonna close that up, and we're gonna time about 5 minutes on it. I drained our water. This is what our pot looks like. We're gonna add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add a little less than half a teaspoon of garlic. And just give that a mix. About 5 minutes. I'm going to reduce our heat to low, and after 5 minutes our dish should be ready to plate up. Here is our Lib Koosa, which is the inner of the squash, in 3 ways: cumin, mint, and hot red pepper. Thank you for watching Syrian Eats.